Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Node.js Express frameworks with need to create here the backends as well as the app API need to develop or need to prepare here the database. First of all, need to remaining tables are the creating today. Let's first of all needs here the area wise and with service zones wise and service wise we need to create here the price. First of all need to define here the price tables. Need to define first of all need to create here the new tables as a give this here the name price detail, and also need to create here the identify columns. So need to see yours. First of all, need to create here the auto increments and to give this here the tables names primary keys and to give here the price ID. Then after need to create here the zone ID. After need to give this here the service ID. We need to bind with first. After need to give this here the base charge. Zero. And after need to get here the per kilometer charge. To find here. After need to give this here the per minute charge. 20. That also need to chat here the charge. Sets. After need to create here the minimum pair. That is after need to set here the minimum. Two. Then after cancel charge. By default need to here 0. After need to create here the that sets and status. One set this here. After need to create date time. After set here the date time. Write these sets here. And now need to save these tables. No needs other things. It's more columns you need. Yeah, creating tabs you need to add inside these tables, but now no needs any other. Now need to save this here these tables. After need to create here the another tables for the right booking tables. Need to develop this here. First of all, go inside the save, and now need to give this here the booking tables. Go here and to get here the creates that here the columns needs here the 50 to not that here columns. First of all, need to set here the booking ID. Auto increment, and after need to create here the ID. Here rank. Here the after need to create here the pickup latitude login. Where care 20%. Then after pickup longitude 0. Going to here the for address pickup address. That here the where cares we need to set this here sons and black. Same as need to set here crop latitude, crop latitude. Give this here crop address. Where care after give this here the date time current timestamps. After need to select which service are the user needs service ID. One year. After need to price ID, which price you need to follow this bookings. You need to this here the price ID at the sets. After need to needs here the registered driver ID is a accepted driver ID. You need to set this here. Where cares you need to the driver to set it. After need to set the car ID are inside the the drivers wise at this here. Then after needs here the request driver ID. Need to create specific the request, so you need to see here the request driver ID. By default sets. After that is the total distance. That here the where cares. After need to set here the accept time, date time, and yes, after need to create here the codes. Give this user, then after start this rights, that's why needs here the OTP. Need to create here the where cares. Need to set and by default set here the 6, and after need to accept a driver ID. That here ticket tends by default need that here blank or the payment ID. You give the payments into payment process. That's we need here the payments ID. Here the after tables is here the care 7 blank. After needs here the tokens start time. Give this here the date time that has a nulls. Stop time here the time nulls like past years. After need to set here the tax amount. If this here the set this value is where can 20 by default. Thus after need to set here duration seconds. Otherwise we need options. Here the where this here 10 set this here value. After need to create here the estimate distance. Maybe needs here because need to save this here the distance inside. Oh, the distance distance t estimate duration by default give this here. After need to set here that set sometime your driver the not cuts of the total text. That's when it verify the text gives the like text need at this here set set checked here. After need to create here the tip amount here where care 20 by default need to here 0 then to set here the status pela push to status set here teachers 0 0 is equal to give this here the pending otherwise new request not accepted like this set 0 1 is equal to need to give this here the accept by drivers 2 means give this here the go to user 3 means need to give this here the wait 4 means need to here Start tip. I need to give this here the complete right. 6 minutes give this here. Cancel trip. I want me to give this here auto cancel. So it's not found. Sets. This is the booking status. Now need to set here the created date. Set here the date time. Current time. After need to set driver cancels. Set here. Give this here the for driver rating. Where care. I see the see driver where care here need the rating. That here I recommend here text by default here the blank. Sorry. Sets and now need to create these tables and to save these here. Except times inside some issue. Like this series and now need to tables or the develop here the next tables for the card payment. Hit here the card and, to needs here column. First of all need to give this here the app transactions auto increment and after need to give the booking. First need to set the transaction status. Zero means processing. Ones means the success. Two means fair. Three means return. Refund. Sets the transaction state. Give this here the type. Cells. R means refund. Sets here the here the success payloads need to see here text to set this here start the process. After need to means upfront. Now need to an ID need to and after date tab date here. Now need to save these tables here to like these sets and to save these years. And another next tables need to develop for here the payment details. Tables need to develop this years. Here needs here the 20 saves. Now need to the payment. Set here the card ID verification. First need to payment type here. After add some to here. Also need to set here. After need to create here discount mark. Discount 0. After need to driver amount years and after plus minus value. Cares. After need to set here the transaction ID. bank. Need to date created, date time, and timestamp modified. Current time sets years, payment date. Give this here the date time. That here the allow as a null. The status. Zero means spent. Once means success process. Done. Three means spell. This sets here the status. Calculate card. And as a zero. Pay amount. As a zero. Define as a zero. If these tables are the now need to save this here the tables created. This payment details tables are the done developing. Now need to create here the for the booking the taxi and to send one by one the request for the drivers. That's why I need to here the one to create here the browse, to create here another request tables. And to need here the 6 phone. Now need to give here the ID auto increments. Then after needs here 0. After need to create here the driver ID. After needs here the status. Need to 10 times need that's it. That here the date time defines here the current timestamp created and to time status current timestamp like this saves. And to create this the request tables we need to one by one send this drivers or this booking related to configure here the drivers. Now need to create here the driver for the bank informations need because need to sending the earning monies inside the banks. So I need to need here the bank some informations. So I need to create here another tables for the bank tables. Okay. To need here the columns as a 8 here to create first of all need to give this here the bank ID. Auto increments need to this year's first need to set here the ID by default. After need to set here the account name and it's here. Then after six cares bank UTC. After need to give here the bank name and cares need to set here. Created date. Date time current timestamps need to set this year's. Also now need to set here the status of this year. Sets by default value. Now need to save this year's and this is the bank detail tables are done. Now need to develop here the subscription plans. You need to create inside this years two types subscription for the one for the user apps and second subscription for driver apps. First need to get here the subscription tables. It is here the subscription plan tables titles plan. And to needs here the maybe is good. Now need to create here the subscription ID here plan name hair care area. After need to here need to pass as that and after need to set here the days how many days are the active these plans. That's why I need to as a one amounts of the these plants records will be after need to give this count here then after maximum teacher by default years and after zone id zone wise after the service id specific service wise need to get this survey. Okay. First need to give this here the minimum price that here sets and to set here discount percentage and as after need to give this here image for subscriptions need to here that here define as a and after need that here which type plans need to go for driver. Once means user app, two means driver app subscriptions. After need to is here the starting start date time current time and the subscriptions offers unit and after date time, current time. After modify date time, current time. Like the sets here this value and to now we need to save this here call. And now we need to create here the next tables for the users driver between and user between the riders chat modules need to integrate here. That's why I need to share the for tables. Share the chat message. This one needs here 10 columns. Let's go to now need to set here chat ID. After need to give this here the sender ID, receiver ID. Zero. After need to text from bank. After need date time. After need to set here the pulse is good and after modify date. After need to create here status. Once means send, receive, it means message. To sender delete or receiver delete. If both will sets commit status. Zero man. Once means message. Let's give this here now. Like and to now another table for the user the address saving for the user electronic list of the address like home office need to it's here for user app redefine the address list for users need another tables go ID user ID after need to set here care text here Subtracts need to 30. Subtracts need to 50. Delete. Need to create solve with the soft delete. Give this here the tab name. Define here dated dates, by dates, date times like this sets save this table. With the add user address detail tables are the creating done. Now need to develop for the user notifications tables. Need to need here this app. Now we need to create here. Notifications and to set here by. Now need to give this here the ID, ID, the ID, and here notification status, status date, like this sets here. Here another table need with the last table for the managing amounts with the wallets tables need develop this years. It's here. It's here. Go here. Give this here the wallet ID. Auto increments. Here user ID. After transaction ID. Here wallet status. That means here debit. Methods need to and last one is status. Zero means once means processing. Three means status means. And this is the all tables are the creating the many tables are the creates inside this database. And if you need more columns, you need to modify the calling times. You need to modify, but maybe nodes need modifications. But this is the final step. But sometime maybe needs, sometime not. That's why I'm not sure. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.